Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to install Startup Show on Firestick TV. Let's begin. First, turn on your Firestick device and go to the home screen. Next, locate the search icon on the top left corner and select it. In the search bar, type Startup Show using the on-screen keyboard. Once the results appear, look for the correct app and select it. After that, click on the download button to begin the installation process. Wait a few moments while the app installs. Once the installation is complete, press the home button on your remote and scroll to the Your Apps and Channels section. Locate the Startup Show app from the list. If it is not visible, click on See All to view all installed apps. From there, you can open the Startup Show app directly. You may now begin using it to access your content. Make sure your internet connection is stable for smooth performance. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.